Tonight, I'm going to show you everything you need to make Thanksgiving fudge turkeys. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. Next week is Thanksgiving, and I thought it'd be fun to make some more tasty turkey treats. These start with a super simple fudge that, with the addition of a few pieces of store-bought candy, transforms into a delightful complement to any Thanksgiving table. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own Thanksgiving fudge turkeys, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using 2/3 of a cup of chocolate chips, 1/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 16 mini peppermint patties, 48 pieces of candy corn, 32 candy eyes, some orange mini M&Ms, and some chocolate melting wafers. I'm also using a bowl, a lined 4x4 baking pan, a spatula, and a toothpick. I used a 4x4 pan because I only wanted to make 16 turkeys. You can double the ingredients and use a 6x6 pan if you want 32 turkeys, or quadruple them in an 8x8 for 64 turkeys. Okay, let's make some candy. Cut the M&Ms into 16 halves. Be prepared to lose a few in the process. Pour the chocolate chips and sweetened condensed milk into a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave it for 30 seconds and give it a good stir. If the chocolate hasn't fully melted, give it another few seconds in the microwave and stir it again. Repeat this until everything is melted and mixed. Pour the mixture into the baking pan. Put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours until it's fully set. Remove the fudge from the fridge and cut it into 16 pieces. Melt the chocolate wafers according to the directions on the package. Put a little melted chocolate on a piece of candy corn and stick it to a piece of fudge. Add 2 more pieces to complete the turkey feathers. Put some melted chocolate on the back of a mint and stick it to the candy corn. Use a toothpick to place some melted chocolate on the back of a candy eye and place it on the mint. Add another eye in the same way. Put a little melted chocolate on an M&M half and place it under the eyes to form a beak. Repeat with the remaining pieces of fudge. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Sláinte. None of this comes as a surprise. Everything tastes exactly like you think it would. When it comes down to it though, while the flavors are all nice and work well together, the real reason to make these is because they're so hunkin' cute. If you want a simple treat that'll bring a smile to the face of everyone at the Thanksgiving table, you really ought to try these. If you decide to make your own Thanksgiving turkeys, you can double the ingredients and use a 6-bite. Cut the M's. No, let's do the M and M's.